Good morning, everybody. I forgot my GoPro, so now I'm using my phone. Good morning, welcome back to the vlog, day 2. I am on my parents' farm in good old cold Pennsylvania. So I'm just cruising around right now. They just bought this property and it has a stream that runs through it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I hope a lot of my content comes from this property. It'll be just lots of working and doing a lot of like dirt biking and four-wheeling and stuff, driving the golf cart around, probably swimming in the pond in the spring, hopefully the early spring, get the wetsuit on and do that. But yeah, welcome to the farm. It's pretty cool. I just want to touch on so I want this channel to be a lot like about mindfulness and, you know, being kind to other people and being a nice person. And I think that's what I'm going to do with this, because I'm all about helping the next person and making sure people are kind to each other. And yeah, it's kind of like a lot of serenity and a lot of happiness. That's what I want to go towards. So stay tuned to the rest of the day. I'm working here today, helping my father out, doing some insulation work and all that crap. It's fun, it's cold, insulation sucks. I forgot to wear a mask, so I'm coughing up all of the remnants of insulation, all the fiberglass. It's fun. Yeah, but here's a clip of the beautiful landscape, I should say. Enjoy. Day 2. Alright guys, I'm back. I am now in this crawl space working. Don't ask about the tape, so the glasses don't fog up. It actually works, and I'm psyched about it. Yeah, so here I am downstairs underneath the house working. It's gonna be a really fun and interesting day. Stay tuned. Well, I got it all down. Now it's time to take all this crap out, throw it out. I'm a man of all trades, doing a lot of different work. Just trying to stay busy though. It's very musty in here. Insulation really sucks to work with. You probably see in the mask all the shit that I would be breathing in, but I'm not. That's all the particles from the insulation. This is old shit. We're just getting rid of it and putting up a new, it's like foam board. It's a newer insulation. Should be fun. Older new house project. Yep. What's next? So I gotta clear out this, and I gotta clear out I'm gonna put the new stuff up. It should be a fun day. This is not going easy. This insulation sucks. It's all over me. I'm covered in it. And it's not, the tape I'm using obviously isn't the right tape to use. I should use painter's tape like I have on my face, or any other masking tape, whatever. I'm not professional. I'm just doing this because it's money and it's extra work. But I'm gonna put the phone down because it's dying, and I want to listen to some music and get the shit done. So see you guys later in the day. Check in. I'm back. I've had a really long day. Kind of a little stressed out, you know, in some ways, but we got it done. Well, almost. I didn't get the full project done. I was covering insulation. I was just sick of it. So now I'm home. I got to work on some video stuff for a client and some other photos for another client. So without further ado, take it away, GoPro. So I just got done the time lapse. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. It's been a long day. My body hurts. I'm very tired and I really want some ice cream. So I'm gonna go get some ice cream, wait for this thing to export, and then I will put this vlog together and have it up for you tomorrow, which you're now watching tomorrow, if anybody's watching. Because, you know, the first couple vlogs nobody ever watches until like you have some crazy thing happen and then you get like 1 million subscribers and views. But anyway, have a nice night, be kind to one another, and stay happy and positive. Peace. Bye.